Oh, hey, hello. Yeah, I'm really close, but I have these. Yep, let me get into it. So you may be wondering, what do I have here? Well, these are lacrosse balls. And why would I, as a mental health therapist, have lacrosse balls? Well, they are my favorite things. I have one that's very rubbery and bouncy. The other one is smooth and hard. And this is the spiky and round one. Okay, so I'm here talking about them because I consider these to be coping skills. Why? Well, I am no physical therapist or like a medical professional of any kind. Of course, I'm not claiming to be that. I'm talking about this because um, mental health is more than just our mind, it's our whole body. So I'm talking about these as a form of coping skill because it helps relieve pain. And when we are in pain, we are impacted. Our emotions are being impacted. Our bodies are going through immense stress. And so mentally, we're going to feel depressed. We're going to feel anxiety. We're going to feel other forms of emotions like your mood is going to fluctuate. You're going to be irritable. I mean, think about yourself. When you're in pain, you don't want to really be around people. You don't want to leave the house or even leave your bed. So I'm here to talk about lacrosse balls today, which again was, or not again, but was requested by Tammy when we did one of our lives. Because as a person who sits down a lot, my job requires that I'm sitting. My tension really is on my lower body and also my shoulders. And when you look up what lacrosse balls does, they really do help release some of those tension in those muscle groups. So I am recommending this amazing tool to help you release some pain so that you can mentally feel good and to take care of your whole body and not just part of your body. So this can be for everyone, and I really like using this on my feet. And for people who work on their feet a lot, this spiky one here is miracle. When I'm working from home in my sessions, I'm typically stepping on this, just rolling my foot on it. And this one works well too. This one is a bit slippery, so you can actually put this in a tube sock and like attach it to your door so that you can like lean on it and work through some of those muscles. So I'm here reviewing lacrosse balls. And you can find this on Amazon. I'll put a link there for y'all to find these quickly. I got these two together from Walmart, believe it or not. And so lacrosse balls are beneficial for pain. And when you release pain, you are also taking care of your mental health. So that's why I'm here today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Whoa.